People often get confused between autobiography and a biography. Autobiography is you telling your story, and biography is when someone else has done research on your book, on your life, and they are writing your story. Biography is the best way to bring out controversies, in my view. You get a 360-degree perspective of a person's life. So I want to explore this genre of writing more. I have read quite a few biographies, and that is what I'll be sharing with you in today's video. Namaste viewers of nationalkhabar.com. Welcome to yet another episode of Wordsmith. And in today's video, I will be talking about the biographies that I've read and loved. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let me begin by talking about my favorite actress, Madhubala. She was a heavenly beauty, Apsara jaisi khoobsurti. But she had a tragic life. There is a lot that has happened in her life. And if you too are keen to read about her life, then I have just the right book for you, which is The Story of Madhubala, penned by Khatija Akbar. This book has interview of Dilip Kumar as well. We all know that the affair between Dilip Kumar and Madhubala was the most popular in Hindi cinema. So if you want to get that perspective, then you got to read this book. Apart from that, it also has information about Madhubala and Kishore Kumar's relationship. It was really a heartbreaking story. Madhubala actually lived a tragic life. Read more about it in this book. Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. Steve Jobs की गुजरने के बाद I came across this book. I read this book when I was in college. But this book shows the ups and downs in life of Steve Jobs, the Apple maker Steve Jobs, in a wonderful way. जो है जैसे था, author ने वैसे ही दिखाया है इस किताब में. So if you want to see the true face of Steve Jobs, then you got to read this book. मैं जट यमला पगला दीवाना और रब्बा इतनी सी बात न जाना के ओ मैनू प्यार करती है. Yes, I'm talking about Dharmendra, and we all love the hitman of Bollywood so much. That's why I was very excited to read his biography penned by Rajiv Vijayakar sir. Rajiv Vijayakar sir is a well-known name in Bollywood and entertainment journalism. उन्होंने धर्मेंद्र जी पे एक किताब लिखी है जिसका नाम है धर्मेंद्र. And this book tells you about the life that Dharamji has led. The only point that was missing was controversial marriage of Dharampaji and Hemaji. अगर वो मसाला होता तो शायद this book would have been my favorite, because I wanted to know more about their love affair and what happened, how it happened. Nonetheless, if you want to know about Dharampaji, then this book is for you. 2020 ये साल हम सब के लिए काफ़ी हेक्टिक रहा है. Last year we lost the most brightest star of Bollywood, the most talented star of Bollywood, and I'm talking about Irfan Khan sir. It is my fortune that I got to work with him when I was promoting his movie The Amazing Spider-Man, and that was the moment of my life. And when in early 2020 उनके ऊपर आधारित इरफान खान ये बायोग्राफी असीम छाबरा सर ने रिलीज की, I wanted to read that book. I read that book and I was blown away. The book does not have a single bite by Irfan sir because Irfan sir was undergoing his treatment in US at that point of time. लेकिन ये किताब परिपूर्ण है. It is a wholesome entertainment. It is a look at Irfan sir like never before. You have to see this side of Irfan sir because it's beautiful and so earthy. You will fall in love with this personality all over again, is my word. Mumbai Mafia, Mumbai Underworld, काफ़ी सुना है, सुनते आई हूँ. I have seen it. I have seen the rough side of Mumbai. And that's the reason why जब true crime की बात होती है तो I love reading the true crime of Mumbai a lot. And here comes a biography on the gangster of Mumbai who transformed himself. I am talking about Rahul Jadhav. Now this gangster was a part of Jaydev Reddy gang, and how he transformed from a gangster to a marathon runner. is the story that we see in the book Gangster on the Run, which is penned by Pooja Changoiwala. This was one mind-blowing book that I read last year. So if you want to know about Rahul Jadhav and how he transformed himself, then you ought to read this book. I often recommend only those books जो मैंने पढ़ी है और जो मुझे पसंद आई. So if you want to read an interesting biography, these are my recommendations for you. Please do pick up these books and let me know how did you like them. So that's it for today. This is me, Siddhi, signing off. We'll see you in another episode of Wordsmith. Till then, stay safe and happy reading. Bye.
हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें यूट्यूब पर, फॉलो करें ट्विटर और इंस्टाग्राम पर, लाइक करें फेसबुक पर और ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए नेशनल खबर की वेबसाइट पर जाएं. आपको टाइप करना होगा सिर्फ नेशनल खबर.